Greetings and salutations, YouTube, and welcome to a special short yet snowy edition of Jay Fixes Stuff. So this week I figured it'd be fun to show you a project that I did earlier this year, and that is rebuilding this shop. It became apparent to me that it was time to rebuild, really dog? It was time to rebuild the 32-year-old decaying behemoth of a building that you see behind you. So I endeavored on a one-week vacation to completely rebuild this thing from the ground up to the shingles on the roof all by myself. Now, I'm not a professional contractor or a carpenter, so this is going to be a daunting task, and I was able to complete almost all of it by myself. However, at one point, I did summon the big guns in calling my professional carpenter father to come down and help out for a couple of hours with rebuilding some of the rotted out rafters up there, as you'll see in the short video. So I had a good time doing the project, and I hope you'll enjoy just watching this special one-off video